Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to create ads and videos fully using AI. The platform that I'm talking about specifically is Creatify. It's a really powerful video and ad platform that basically allows you to create UGC and AI avatar videos super efficiently, fast, and affordably. If you browse social media, you've probably seen exact videos just like this that were probably made on Creatify. And for any business owner or creator, this is going to save you so much time and allow you to make an insane number of creatives really fast. So I'll show you exactly how to use this platform. I'll show how to make an AI UGC video, create your own avatars, and they also have this cool thing called AdMax, where it's basically like an all-in-one ad creative software, helping you generate and then A/B test hundreds of different creatives. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll have a link down below in the description. If you use that link, it's going to take you to this exact landing page. What I encourage you guys to do is just follow along, play with the software while watching this video. That's going to be the fastest way to learn. So yeah, I'm going to click on this button right here, and here we're going to be able to try out the product without actually putting in your credit card. So that's pretty cool. And once you're ready to create an account, just come up here and simply create an account. So one of the great features about Creatify is that you can actually put in a link, and it's going to use that link to actually generate a video. For example, if I go to Amazon and I just find a random water bottle, so this hydro flask right here, I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it right here and click analyze URL. So now I can edit any of these things. So I can change the brand/product name if I want. I can change up the product description, but it's going to pull all this data from that listing. This works for any type of product. It also works for your business website. It does not need to be like a specific product. I tried this on my overseas recruiting agency website and it also worked. And it's going to pull in assets from the website. So these are some of them. We can choose which ones to include or not to include. After that, I'm going to click on next. And here we're going to be able to select our video setting. So you're going to be able to choose what platform you want this video for. If you want to use it across platforms, just select general. But for example, let's say we want a very specific Instagram one, we would select that. Next, you're going to select your aspect ratio. So there's 9:16, which is vertical. There's 16:9, which is traditional landscape. And there's also 1:1, which is square. So for this video, I'll just go with 9:16, doing a vertical video. For the duration, you can select 15, 30, and 60 seconds. Just for this video, I'll go with 15 seconds. Language is going to be English, and then target audience. Yeah, let's do something like outdoor lovers, hikers. We'll click on next. Now it's going to use AI to actually generate these scripts. So now we'll have the option to use one of their AI generated scripts, or we can actually use our own script and just input that. There's different positioning that we can take with this script. So you can do a how-to, there's benefits, there's the brand story, there's trending topics, and we can change the tone, of course. So we can go from a Gen Z younger tone to something that's more motivational. We can do super casual, professional. Yeah, you can go ahead and play around with these. For now, I'm just gonna go with Gen Z tone. And also if none of these look okay for you, you can always click on generate more scripts. So now I'm gonna click on next, and now it's gonna have us select our favorite avatar. So feel free to poke around and look at these different types. The realistic avatars are more of the UGC user generated content approach. So it's, a bit more casual. If you look at the styled avatars, those are going to be a little bit more like professional looking, but more AI-esque. And you can also create a custom avatar using your own footage. So if I wanted to upload footage of me talking to the camera just like this, I could easily create my own avatar. Now for this video, I'll just go ahead and choose a realistic avatar. But of course, it's going to depend on what type of video you want to make yourself. All right, so this guy looks like he works out. So let's go ahead and click this one. Let's go ahead and choose this outdoor one. Okay, right here. Let's click on next. And guys, this is just one of the many use cases, right? There are so many different things you can do with these AI generated videos. You can use them for ads. You can use them for your website. You can make YouTube videos with it. You can also make training videos. Literally, the options are endless. Okay, so now it's created 16 different videos. And just to note, if I click on any of these to play, it's going to be a preview and it's not yet rendered. So that means that the mouth movement is not going to match the actual dialogue. So let's try this one.
Chill on the trail hits different with my hydro flask. I stay solid, no spills, and sipping mid-hike is clutch. If you're ready for fresh vibes and zero leaks, grab yours now.
All right, that's one of them. This is also another.
Trail hits different with my hydro flask. I stay solid, no spills, and sipping mid-hike is clutch. If you're ready for fresh vibes and zero leaks, grab yours now.
Cool. So I prefer this one as of now. I can choose as many as I want to render, but for now, just for this video, just click on this single one right here. If you want to edit anything, we can go here to edit. Let me show you the editor, which is actually really powerful. We can drag this part. It's essentially just like a traditional video editor with a timeline. We can change up the music as well. That's super, super easy. And then we can also change the text. We can change the captions too. And yeah, all the stuff can be edited. All the styles can be changed and customized to your liking. So I I do like that. And so let's say, for example, you don't like this last page right here. Let's go ahead and remove this call to action right here. And let's change this text to say link in bio. Cool. So that looks a little bit better. And once this looks okay, we'll click on render right here. It's going to confirm the credits needed, and we'll click on render video. Now, as that is rendering, I do want to say that being able to create videos using AI now is insane. Yes, the tech is still getting better and better. So by the time you watch this video, it might look even more realistic than it does now. But yeah, this is really going to change the way that ad creatives are made. It's really going to change the way that any type of spoken video is made. And my favorite part is that you can get really creative with how you use these videos. Essentially, you don't need to hire someone and have them create a script and film it and all that stuff. You can do all that literally on your computer. And so it's going to save a lot of time. It's going to save a lot of money, and it's just going to make you a lot more efficient at outputting videos and creatives. Okay, so now this is done. Let's go ahead and
chill on the trail hits different with my hydro flask. I stay solid, no spills, and sipping mid-hike is clutch. If you're ready for fresh vibes and zero leaks, grab yours now.
So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it does sound pretty solid. And then once you're done with that, we'll click on download, and then it's going to download to your computer. If I come back here to creative tools, I'm going to briefly run through some of these right now. So avatar video, it's pretty similar, but it's not like an ad. If you click on create now, it's very similar. You can see here, this is where we enter in our script. So you can absolutely use ChatGPT for this, right? If I do something like this, hello, my name is Charlie. Let me show you guys a styled avatar just to really quickly show you. All right, let's change this to Charlene, even though I do think Charlie is a girl's name too. Let's go ahead and just select this person right here. I'm going to make this one horizontal just to show you guys. Click on next. Now we have this open in the editor.
Hello, my name is Charlene.
Cool. So it might sound better if I include something else at the end of this sentence. But for now, let's just go ahead and click on render, and that's going to render, right? So we can create full horizontal 16:9 videos too. This is perfect for YouTube. It's perfect for YouTube ads. You can create these videos and put them on your landing page or website. All right, so that one's done. Let's click on it.
Hello, my name is Charlene.
So as you can see, this one looks a lot more like polished. It looks like a professional setup. So this is of course going to be a completely different use case than the other one. Some of the other popular tools that they have are the product video features. So you can literally turn a product image into an actual video. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also create your own avatar. So that's really great. Instead of me filming this video over and over again, I can just literally create an avatar, input the text, and have it generate video like that. You can also create AI shorts where you basically take a script and it's going to turn it into like an animated video ad. And then batch mode allows you to create up to 50 different video variations instantly. So you can literally take all those variations and A/B test them. This is going to be really helpful for the ads feature. Let me show you really quickly how to turn this product image into a video. All right, so I have this hydro flask. I wrote hiking trail. So let's try and put that in the background, and let's generate this. So cool, that's done. And as you can see, you did not need to put a perfect image for it to be able to generate this video. This is sort of what it looks like, and you can always tell it to include something else or remove something. I think this looks fine. We'll click on generate video. We'll do spinning the product slowly, and we'll click on generate. Cool, so that's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna go back home. Whenever you create a new project, it's gonna show up in the projects tab right here. So right now we have 2 completed videos. Once that other one is completed, it's gonna show up here as well. And now I want to talk about AdMax. This is like the new thing that they just released. So essentially it's like an all-in-one video ad solution. You can sort of think of it as like a team that's working 24/7 for you. It's going to generate a ton of creatives, be able to run these, A/B test them, show you the analytics, test the performance of each creative, and eventually it's going to select the absolute winners. If you have an ads agency, this is going to be amazing. Or even if you want to run your own ads in-house for your company, this is going to save you so much time and money. And it's also going to be able to help you identify what types of ads really work for your business, right? It's going to remove a lot of the guesswork because you're going to be able to create tons and tons of creatives with all these different types of variations and then literally test them within AdMax. I'm not going to get too detailed here, but I definitely want you guys to understand what is possible with it. I love the creative insights and ads inspiration section because you can literally see what your competitors are doing, which for me is like, yes, I want to see what ads my competitors are running because you'll be able to see exactly what they're running for a long time so that you can create an ad creative that is similar. And from there on, you can A/B test, create different variations, and create an even better ad than your competitors. So for example, for any any of these right here, you can see this one's been running for 11 days. If we click on view insights right here, we can see the status, we can see how long it's been running for, the industry, what platforms this ad is running on, the time, the aspect ratio, and it's going to give you a bunch of insights about the ad itself. So yeah, this is like the ultimate way to sort of peek on what your competitors are doing. Same thing over here, right? We can sort by different industry. So for example, if I want to do appliances, we can see what ads all these companies are running. So competitor tracker is also really cool. You can literally add different brands or companies that are your competitors. I own an overseas recruiting company, so I actually added these two companies right here. You can see what active ads they are running. So for example, this one right here, somewhere.com, it's going to give us a ton of information. And you can see they have been running these ads for quite some time now. And yeah, I really encourage you guys to do this. This is some of the best like education and market research you can do for your company. Okay, so creative testing is really cool because you can use it to basically create AI generated videos. And by videos, I mean like a ton of different variants. This is very important because very little subtle changes in your ad can create a huge impact on the conversion rates, on the clickability, and of course on the performance. And so it's going to create all these different variations with little changes. It's going to launch these ads using your connected ads account. And of course you can set a small budget for all these variations. And then it's going to analyze all the data using AI and continually tweak and choose the best performers. So you basically just connect your ad account and you provide your product information. And then from there on, you create your first campaign. I'm not going to get too detailed with this, but this is a super cool feature. And once you start running your ads through Creatify, they're going to show up right here. So you're going to have a dashboard where you can see all the ads, you can track performance, all the insights. And yeah, it's just a really cool all-in-one solution. All right, so this video is now done. We'll click on play and now you can see, and yeah, it's just all generated using AI. Of course, we can do some tweaks if we want, but I'm just going to leave this as is since we're just doing a quick demo for you guys. Yeah, that's a pretty broad overview on how you can use Creatify to really create tons and tons of videos fully using AI. Honestly, it's pretty crazy just how much better AI video generation has gotten over the last year. I'm really excited to see how it gets even better over the next year or two. And I think at some point it's going to get so good that you're just not going to be able to distinguish whether something is AI made or actually real. And so for me, it's like I need to learn these tools right now. I think this is one of the best ones out there currently. And yeah, if you don't learn the stuff, you're definitely going to be left behind because other people, they're going to take advantage and use this type of stuff. Their output is going to increase significantly. And so yeah, you literally have to do stuff like this if you want to learn. Hopefully you guys got some value from this video. I know we covered a lot of different things, but feel free to use the timeline down below to skip to different parts of this video again. And yeah, like I said earlier, the best way to actually learn is not to just watch, but to watch and do at the same time. So I really encourage you guys, create an account right now, try it, actually get your hands dirty because that is the best way to learn. If you guys got any value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. I do a ton of tutorials, educational videos, interviews, and yeah, my whole goal is to help you guys live a financially successful life. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.